In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert rows to columns with Transpose formula in Excel. This is a simple but powerful task, and it is especially useful when your data is arranged in one orientation, but you need it in another. For example, you might have information spread across rows, and you want it to display across columns instead. The Transpose formula is the fastest way to do that without manually copying and rearranging the data. To begin, you need to choose where the converted data will go. Start by selecting a blank cell in your worksheet. In the instructions for this example, you might choose a cell like E1. The key point is that the cell should be empty, so Excel has space to place the results. This matters because if there is existing data in the area where the output will appear, it can overwrite it or create conflicts. So take a moment to click a clear cell and confirm it is empty. Now that you have selected the destination cell, you are ready to enter the Transpose formula. Type the formula exactly as shown, starting with an equal sign, then the word transpose, followed by an opening parenthesis. The instruction is to type this into the cell, transpose A1, D2. As you type, focus on the range inside the parentheses. In this example, a 1 to D2 is the source data, meaning those cells currently contain the values that are arranged across rows. The transpose function will convert those values into a new orientation, switching rows into columns. After you enter the formula, do not press other keys or click somewhere else too quickly. Instead, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This is the step where Excel processes the transpose instruction. Depending on the version of Excel you are using, the result may appear instantly, or it may take a brief moment for the cells to populate. In either case, just wait for the output to appear in the sheet. Once you press Enter, verify that the data automatically spills into the correct area. You should see the transformed result appear starting from the cell you selected earlier. The important thing to look for is the direction of the converted data. Your original range, A1, D2, is 2 rows by 4 columns. After transposing, it becomes 4 rows by 2 columns. So you should see the values reorganized in that new layout, with what used to be columns becoming rows and what used to be rows becoming columns. Take a quick second to check that the values are in the correct order. Because transpose does not just move data randomly, it maintains the sequence as it flips the orientation. If the source range and the destination cell are chosen correctly, the first value from the original range should map to the appropriate first position in the transposed output. If anything looks off, the most common cause is that the wrong range was selected inside the formula, so you would review A1, D2, and make sure it matches the data you actually want to transpose. When you are satisfied with the result, you can continue working with your worksheet normally. One benefit of using the transpose formula is that it reduces manual effort and helps prevent mistakes that can happen when you copy and paste without careful alignment. It also keeps your workflow clean, since the conversion happens in a single formula step rather than through multiple manual actions. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know about converting rows to columns with the transpose formula in Excel.